Today we're going to take a look at Autodesk's BIM 360 build. This module is part of the BIM 360 Construction Cloud offering from Autodesk and will support you in improving construction quality control and safety programs. Create, assign and manage issues, RFIs and submittals, and track field performances with dashboards and reports. Before we look at BIM 360 build, let's take a look at where we are in the industry today. About 24% of rework claims are due to lack of detail or inaccurate specs and logistics. Delays in getting the latest information to the field results in more RFIs and less accurate work. The right software can provide a single cloud-based repository for all project documentation, making a real-time communication and document exchange possible between the office and the field. With a system like BIM 360, documents and communications can be managed on handheld mobile devices, making it easy for field workers to be continuously in the loop with the office and get it right first time. More than half of rework claims are due to inaccurate field data. When workers in the field have outdated plans, at best they'll waste time going back and forth to the site office and get the latest. At the worst, they'll perform work based on outdated plans, the result being rework. Software should provide a single source of truth that can be accessed in real time directly from the field. This eliminates time-consuming trips to the site office and ensures everyone has all the latest changes, markups, RFI responses, and issues resolutions. Tracking historic project data is not practiced. The handoff between teams and siloed technology leads to dropped information at these transition points. Wasted time in rework trying to backtrack and find missing information, and teams don't have the ability to predict project outcomes. Often on job sites, the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing, and this leads to delays in communications and scheduling conflicts. A study by McGraw-Hill shows that 76% of contractors using cloud-based technology report better team collaboration. Teams have to spend too much time sorting through files and making sure they're working off the most current version. Multiple teams working on files can create a lot of rework. On most construction jobs, a good deal of field workers' time is wasted waiting on answers to build questions, running back and forth to the site office to align the job site with the plan, manually updating paper checklists or other documentation, and engaging in other valueless tasks. Software should provide mobile access to the latest set of plans, including a shared view of markups, issues, and RFIs. Instead of wasting time running back and forth and waiting for the answers, they can be in the field with the information they need at their fingertips, getting the work done more efficiently. On average, this saves each and every site worker about 9 hours per week, according to industry research. There are an abundance of tools used to solve for different parts of the construction process. Easy to get overwhelmed by too many options. People are using own spot solutions for different needs, including document management, estimating, BIM management, scheduling, planning, coordination review, project management, and field apps. So BIM 360 can overcome these common construction software challenges with a single platform for construction management. The solution to our problems with the construction technology today, BIM 360. With the BIM 360 build package, teams are able to work easily to share project information, track all RFIs and submittals, manage any project issues, complete daily reporting, oversee job site safety, and create customized checklists. The BIM 360 Build package supports key workflows that take place leading up to and during the construction execution process. No more hunting for lost meeting minutes, questioning accountability, or running the risk of unanswerable claims. With the meeting minute toolset in the BIM 360 project management module, BIM 360 makes meeting management effortless with clear visibility into the commitments made and the organized history of all meeting records. With only a few clicks, meeting organizers can create an agenda for an upcoming meeting and add meeting invitees within the Meetings tab. The agenda is automatically accessible to the invitees. Easily attach document drawings or models from the BIM 360 document management to the meeting records or meeting items. Once the meeting kicks off, the organizers can track attendees, document decisions, and assign individuals to action items to establish clear accountability. Follow-up meetings can be generated and will automatically carry over unresolved items. The organizers can quickly export the minutes to PDF and distribute it before the attendees have even left the room. All meeting records are centralized and organized in BIM 360, keeping an accurate historical record for audit purposes and providing meeting invitees with access to the information they need when they need it. BIM 360 Build provides project control workflows that meet common contractual procedures. In the submittals process, the BIM 360 Build allows flexibility for users to create items in the submittal log, add items to a submittal package, and submit items and collaborate in the activity section. By design, only the managers can review the submittal item and make the final decision on when it is ready for the design team to review. Having these flexible yet controlled workflows help to control the handover points within these critical processes without limiting collaboration while maintaining a single point of responsibility. BIM 360 also ensures approved information is distributed and easily accessible to those in the field within the BIM 360 app. Within the app, teams can access a concise submittal list where all approved submittal items are instantly accessible to the entire project, and submittal items in progress are only available to those involved in the process. Teams can quickly filter or search and filter to quickly find what they're looking for. Basically, you just tap to open an item, view details, and download official attachments for offline viewing. RFIs are a time-consuming contractual check and balance between the contractor and the design team. In the current era of coordination, they can seem like a frustrating return to protectionism and inefficiency, and yet there's no escaping their contractual necessity. Each of these communications has to follow a prescribed path for review and approval, and every contractor has a defined process, and often a set of software applications to manage these workflows. How can we streamline communication between teams to ensure the continuity of project data and promote coordination and issue resolution, all while aligning with the common contractual procedures? With BIM 360 Build's RFI workflows, teams can designate responsibilities for each step and coordinate responses from the design team. For example, the RFI workflow can be set up to allow any project member to initiate an RFI and submit it to the manager. Digitizing and centralized project management workflows increase efficiency in managing information on the job site with structured workflows and clear responsibilities. They can ensure the continuity of data across the project lifecycle, connect project records to 2D and 3D locations, They can connect workflows across project life cycle. The manager can edit the RFI and assign a primary reviewer, perhaps the architect, and additional co-reviewers, creating a clear response structure for the RFI. What's the best part? BIM 360 Build also allows users to identify the location of the RFI on the drawing as it's part of the initiation process. BIM 360 also gives users the ability to create and search RFIs anytime, anywhere, direct from the BIM 360 mobile app, giving teams in the field the ability to instantly draft a question, include photos, and initiate an RFI is critical to improving efficiency and creating a seamless workflow between the office and the field. Within the app, RFIs can either be created from an RFI list view or an open document model. When it comes to searching RFIs on a mobile, users can either open a document or model to view all RFIs associated with it. Issue management is a key workflow during site execution of every construction project, but disconnected issue management processes such as paper checklists or reactive management to problems cause a series of problems, including lack of info at the point of construction, no visibility into issue resolutions, increased time to find and fix problems, and rework costs and schedule overruns. By executing issue management workflows within a single construction management platform, teams can gain efficiency and productivity advantages that comes from flexible configurable workflows, proactive quality management and resolutions, dashboards and reporting for insights, including root cause understanding, conformance to a company standards, increased quality at the end of product, reduce rework at closeout, and reduction of RFIs. When it comes to quality, nothing can impact the end result more than how well checklists and snagging lists are done. Today, snagging lists can be managed with a host of specific apps that are purpose-built for just one process. These tools do create challenges in their own right, though, such as too much time spent on admin, with skilled labour wasting effort finding and sharing critical information. The snag process comes late in the building phase, when resources are harder to allocate to fix issues. Reactive to issues found, instead of proactively eliminating issues before they happen. Lack of visibility into resolving issues and snags, even once they're found. And the lack of standard practices from team to team or project to project. The Autodesk platform for checklists and snagging delivers a desired or a future state where standard checklists are available for performing inspection on mobile devices in the field. Near real-time round trip of issues when found, with a full workflow of identifying, assigning for resolution, and tracking of resolution in a controlled environment. Flexibility for issue statuses that follow real-world scenarios like open, work completed, ready to inspect, approved, not approved, etc. Control of how issues are closed, with the subcontractors only able to see and change their status, not close an issue until inspectors have signed off. And integrated with other quality workflows, consolidating efforts, knowledge and training resources to a single platform, with standardized reporting for analysis and insight of team performances, including subcontractors and consultants. Autodesk enables project teams to effectively participate and take ownership of safety on site, where both positive and negative behaviors, including root causes, are recorded. Safety data is analyzed for trends so that unsafe behaviors can be prevented. makes everyone safety observers, record both positive and negative observations with root causes, and analyze and manage trends in safety data. Visibility into the status of a job is important for day-to-day project management. As well as being able to look back at daily activity if a dispute needs to be resolved later in the project, BIM 360's daily logs capabilities, information such as weather, are automatically populated into logs, and labor tracking is easily populated, either on a laptop or right on site with a mobile device, with companies already loaded into BIM 360, adding details of who was on site, what they did, and any important notes can be quickly entered. As with all activities in BIM 360, daily logs are achieved and available to view for any day of the project at the click of a date on the calendar. BIM 360 has undergone a complete re-engineering to support the integration and automation of workflows. Moving away from standalone applications that were built primarily to support digitization and collaboration, towards a unified solution that supports centralized collections and use of data. A single data repository that puts project in the center and guided handoff of information between project phases. BIM 360 is built on top of Autodesk's Forge, Autodesk development platform, and a set of APIs that not only allow for frictionless data flow, but also the ability to pass information to and from 3D applications, and tools to help build a single source of truth. The Forge platform is the foundation for building an AEC software ecosystem, where the focus is on access to data, not just the applications being used. BIM 360 brings all of the project data into a single data platform. This removes issues around data loss as information moves from one application to another, and avoids common problems of project teams questioning if they have the most current information. You see evidence of this approach in the BIM 360 Docs service today, which is the centralized project repository for the BIM 360 platform. With all project information digitized, collected and stored in a central location, and data sharing occurring through guided handoff information across project phases. The value of how data can be used becomes evident. BIM 360 will leverage the entire project dataset with all of the connected information and provide project and company-wide insight into data and trends that lead to better predictability. Taking this step further, here is the breakdown of the different workflows supported by BIM 360, from design through clash detection, pre-construction workflows through to project management tasks, including quality, safety, planning and costs, all the way to project handover. The document management module sits across all of the workflows, ensuring document data and storage is easily transferred from one phase to the next, and is available to the entire team to help improve collaboration. So why BIM 360? So BIM 360 is built is the only unified common data platform in the industry. We're changing the way teams stay connected both in the office and in the field by allowing easy team communication and collaboration. With your security as a priority, BIM 360 is designed and built using best-in-class cloud software practices and powered by Amazon Web Services, the world's leader in cloud infrastructure. That being said, BIM 360 is designed to be extensible with open, secure APIs to easily connect other construction software tools your company uses. At the end of the day, with the Project Insight tool, BIM 360 supports predictability and certainty of decision making, eliminating the root causes of uncertainty. Imagine the impact on project delivery success and your business profitability if there were less complexity, disconnection and uncertainty. So to iterate, Connected. Cloud connected solutions for AEC project teams, web and mobile, anytime, anywhere, allowing teams to collaborate through the entire project. Secure. Autodesk is investing in security and making it a focus across the company. Protecting customers from security threats is a priority for Autodesk, and their processes and technology are intended to keep customers' data secure. BIM 360 and underlying services within the Autodesk Cloud Platform have attained the SOC2 certification. Integrated. Streamlined, integrated solutions with viewing support for over 50 design file formats, specialized capabilities for PDF, AutoCAD, and Revit, and support for managing and any project file type. In addition, BIM 360 is designed to be extensible with open secure APIs so that you can connect your project data to your company's ERP system and other construction software solutions from a list of integrated partners. Data-driven. BIM 360 aggregates project data across the entire life cycle to give you a clear picture into project performance, allowing you to make quicker, more informed business decisions and predict issues before they become a costly hold-up. On-site project team members can see a snapshot of a real-time to-do list, as well as leverage risk prediction assistance through the Project Home module. Users can customize this view through a card library to select dashboard cards that are relevant to the daily needs. The card library includes cards with data from integrated partners, giving a more holistic view of the project. The card library allows users to create customized views of project data relevant to their needs with a selection of dashboard cards. In addition to capturing the data generated through BIM 360 itself, the prediction and analytics ecosystem also showcases data from partner cards. With the ability to add partner-specific data snapshots from the BIM 360 card library, users have a single view for all relevant project data. Built on the Forge Open API platform, the BIM 360 integrates and showcases data from partners' applications, such as giving teams a more holistic understanding of their project's performance. By combining BIM 360 data with the Construction IQ risk prediction capabilities, as well as insights from the partner applications, customers can gain a best-in-class risk mitigation solution to identify problems early and improve project outcomes. Through streamlined reports and dashboards based on quality, safety, and project controls, project leaders can view a summary of critical and actionable information. Clicking on the Insight module from the module picker, there are multiple tabs for different analytical views: quality, safety, project controls, and risk. The Reports tab shows an aggregated list of all generated project reports that are both downloadable or shareable to any email address. Construction IQ is a built-in machine learning and AI functionality that leverages data across the entire BIM 360 platform. The BIM 360 data science team has committed to the last 2 years to over 150 million construction issues and checklist observations across nearly 30,000 real projects to develop machine learning and AI algorithms that analyze quality and safety risks. Construction IQ sifts through millions of data points from your construction documents, issues, checklists related to metadata and historical data, and analyzes it to identify and prioritize risks. IQ automatically classifies items and flags issues as high risk. Construction IQ helps everyone on the team, whether it's to analyze quality and safety risk on site or give an executive overview of risk potential across projects. Construction IQ serves as a smart assistant to looking at all of the project data. Through a single click, Data Connector allows teams to quickly extract project data from BIM 360 for customized use in other robust business intelligence tools. The Data Connector saves teams time and money by giving them a tool to extract data without needing expensive APIs or custom code, as well as improving data visualizations to make more informed business decisions. So let's take a look at the BIM 360 platform. The current generation platform removes the need for single point application and unifies your project data. The unified BIM 360 solution aggregates the data and provides transparency to project stakeholders, making everyone more accountable and improving visibility in real time. BIM 360 Docs is the entry level to any BIM 360 platform and provides controlled data and document management for all project information, from design through to construction. Project workflows are supported in 3 process management offerings. BIM 360 Design supports the collaboration across multidisciplinary design firms and coordination of deliverables. BIM 360 Coordinate allows teams to coordinate multiple multidisciplinary models and automate tasks such as model aggregation and clash detection. BIM 360 Build provides teams with the ability to manage meeting minutes, RFIs and submittals, as well as execute quality and safety management programs during construction. Each of these subscriptions include a set of BIM 360 platform modules, along with access to classic BIM 360 solutions to ensure that customers continue to use the products they're using today on their projects without disruption. All project information in BIM 360 is managed in a single data repository or a common data platform, and access is controlled by user, role, or company permissions. Design, coordinate, and build are all connected to the common data platform and bringing together information and workflows in a way that previously unavailable with point solutions. User-friendly dashboards and advanced data analytics are available across all subscription offerings, making it simple to track and prioritize work. All companies and projects and members are managed in a centralized administration area to ensure the right people have access to the right information and the right tools anytime.